нули погибает на сцене. Снова один, прогуляюсь без тени. Заливаю лик, поцелуй на шее. Как там бар, правый назад, черный каскад. Вижу твой взгляд, стерло горят. Мог тебя взять, но ты не моя. Так дать пацана посчитать потери. Суммы нули погибает на сцене. Снова один, прогуляюсь без тени. Заливаю лик, поцелуй на шее.
Hi, I'm Shawn.
Hi, I'm Shawn. Hi, I'm Samuel. Hi, I'm Immanuel. Hi, I'm Jairus. Hi, I'm Immanuel. Hi, I'm Sthithi. Hi, I'm Evangeline. Hi,
This short film is all about good versus bad. As Bible says, Romans 12:21, don't be overcome by evil, but overcome evil with good.
let's draw something interesting. Okay. These guys are doing something. I'll disturb them. Oops, did I disturb your drawing? We are doing something beautiful. You disturbed us. I enjoyed doing that. Hey, what happened, guys? Sam is there, no? He's very mischievous. I'm angry on Sam. I'll throw a sandwich on him. Don't be like that. Don't be like that. You will be a sandwich thrower, not a peacemaker. Oh, is it? Being good is very tough. Hello friends, how are you? I am your Sunday school teacher. Today is Romans 12:21.
Yes.
Is it don't let the bad guys win and be the good guy? Yes, you are close.
Yes, teacher, it is. Do not be overcome by evil, but overcome evil with good.
Even though if anyone throw chapel on me. Yes, especially that time. Ah, everybody's laughing.
Go.
Give me your hand. You're helping me. I'm very mischievous. Yes, he's very mischievous. Yeah, I learned a lesson from my Sunday school. I should be light in the darkness.
Go.
Oh, it's amazing. Okay, children, did anyone overcome evil? Yes, teacher. Jairus did. He turned revenge sandwich into kindness. Tempting to beat him, but Jesus helped me. Very good. That is how we shine. Let Jesus shine